So today I'm going to talk about the self challenge, self soul challenge, and what are those challenges? The challenges that are related to our emotional state, mental state, and then physical state. People born differently, be it your limbs or your deaf or dumb, the ability to hear or taste or anything, any disability that you're born with. That's what you're born differently. So this is the challenge that we are born with. So what is expected out of us, and how to resolve this challenge, and what is expected out of the family where we belong. So these are the 4 questions that would come generally in your mind, that okay, this is my soul challenge, so what do I need to do? So what is expected out of us is to stay in gratitude, to stay in positive mindset, to look on the things that we can build our life upon. So even if Allah has not given one thing, but then I have seen people who are not, who are born differently. They may be extremely sharp mentally, or they may be extremely good in art and craft, and in one or the other thing. So look for things that make you different. Look for things that can craft your life. So that's what is expected out of us. One is remain in faith, and then backed by certainty that everything is going to be happening good for myself and with ease. These are the thoughts that will bring ease and certainty and convenience, and then it will make things happen for you. So and what kind of self disability? So I've laid down the physical ones, and then the emotional ones can be anything. Anxiety. Kids are born with anxieties. Kids are born with ADHD. Kids are born with schizophrenia. So all these emotional, are disabilities, or not regulating our nervous system would impact our life. So, and again, we need to acknowledge them, and then give ourselves that credit that we have. This is our soul challenge, and we have to learn to deal with it, because that's the only way. So you can't get away with it just because that you don't like to be in that situation. So acceptance is the key, and then gratitude, and focusing on other things that can bring goodness in our life, and then look for the things that can craft our way. Then again, if it is mental disability, it can be Down syndrome, it can be dyslexia. So people have all sorts of disabilities that can hold them back to live as a normal life, or to go to the normal school, to fit in the normal system, because actually there is no normal, because they will have certain other challenges in their life. So it's the normal is only in our head and in our mind, and the milestones that we all human beings think that the larger number of society need or have or should achieve. But it doesn't matter, because everybody's journey is not the same, everyone's challenges are not the same, everyone's soul is not the same, everyone capacity to deal with those challenges are not the same, circumstances. So there are so many variable factors that you need to look for before judging your own self, or criticizing your own self or someone else in your family. So if you're a family of that person, that somebody who was born differently, or be it emotionally, physically, or mentally, so what is expected out of you? The expectation is be kind, be sympathetic, be encouraging, bring them to positive attitude all the time, bring hope to them. So keep them in positivity, so that they have the confidence, because the best gift that a parent can give to, or anybody can give to another person, is self-confidence and positivity, to bring them in faith, because that's the most important thing. And that drives everything else, because that's the core of achieving anything in your life. So what I'm just trying to say is, if you're that person, you need to understand the understand that okay, I am born with this, and I can't help it. Acknowledge and stay in gratitude. Look for things that you can do the best in this world. Try to unlock when you will come in faith and not in darkness. That was your test. you have passed the test. If you are in faith, in positivity, if you're in high spirits, because that's your test, because Allah has not given you something which is very major, and you're still in gratitude, and Allah will give you a lot more then. So that was your test, and that you passed. And then if you're a family to that individual, then you will have to also remain very positive and giving, and not, you give to give, you don't give to take, because there is no give and take anyways in a relationship. You only give to give, and then Allah refills it with the light of the Creator. So I think that's where I am, to understand these challenges. It's very important, because they craft our relationship. So I know, I like to give two examples. I know somebody that who's deaf and dumb, and then she's married to another deaf and dumb, and they live happily, and they have kids, very normal kids, 4 kids, mashallah. And then the every time I see them, I love them, because that's the faith, that's the kind of faith that we all aspire to be into, because they never gave up. She's a qualified person, she works. The other person that I know I really want to talk about is somebody without having limbs, no hand, no feet, and yet she chose to get married. She's doing very well for herself in US, and then she has kids. So there is a web page, I think, called Born Differently, and that's an extremely good page to get the inspirations, because when you see other people doing well in their life, despite that they are born differently, that's when you realize that the gratitude comes naturally to you, because you're so much in compassion and so much good emotions, and then you're connected to Allah, and then you can't thank enough. So I will leave you guys to on that note, that just reflect on these things, understand, accept, rather than judging, criticizing, be so hard on each other, on your own self. It's not gonna help you in any way. So it's better to create that space for compassion, for your own self and for others. Please look after yourself. Remember me in your prayers, like always, and I'll do the same.